Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the coordinates format on the Avenza Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the Settings button. You go to the Settings section, and here you can find the units of measurement. And here you can find the Coordinates section, and click to the first option, the Format, and you can select different, for example, latitude, longitude, map data, easting, northing, VGS 84, map data, Watts rewards, BNG, OSGB, and others, and just select one and click to the circle icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.